Hi, I'm Bill Simmons, and I am the owner and president of PuroClean of Greer, serving the greater Greer community. You're probably here because you need restoration services due to a property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services. Well, you've come to the right place. Our team members are specially trained in water damage and restoration, mold remediation, fire and smoke damage, along with other specialties. All of our team are thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified, and we will work with your insurance company. We're here to help you quickly and efficiently as possible. We are master certified, and we have a proven track record to deliver outstanding customer service as part of our professional standard and how we treat your family with compassion and care. Call us at 864-565-7500, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we will restore and rescue your property.